Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. I've been traveling on the road for 5 years now and it's officially time for a change. I've put my home in storage, left my fur baby in the care of her godmother, and now it's time for me to explore and expand my wings outside of the United States. Join me as I navigate life on these international streets as a solo female traveler. Konnichiwa friends! We are currently on episode 5 of my Journey Through Southeast Asia series. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, hey, thanks for checking in on me. So for the new news, let me catch you up really quick. My journey started with a flight from Virginia to Cali. That's where I started my 18-day solo cruise out of. This cruise only consisted of ports in Alaska and Japan, and today we have reached our last port before making our way to Yokohama. Welcome to Aomori, Japan. Known for its stunning natural beauty and peaceful atmosphere. Unlike the hustle and bustle of Japan's big cities, Aomori offers a quiet, serene escape. With its slower pace of life and scenic landscapes, it's the perfect place to experience both art and culture in a more relaxing setting. Let's dive into the Aomori Gokon Art Fest 2024 and explore this unique, tranquil corner of Japan. As you all know, I didn't schedule any excursions, so I decided to explore Aomori with a friend from the ship. Located in the heart of Aomori, the Gokon Art Fest 2024 brought together breathtaking art from around the world. From stunning exhibitions to dynamic performances, the festival celebrated creativity and culture, blending both traditional and contemporary styles.
My balance, and that's when the colors started to change.
Freaking chairs inside of the elevator. We have a seat, friends.
And it was somewhere then I started to feel covered in chaos. And it was somewhere then look at me.
After spending almost 20 minutes walking around trying to find that large white dog sculpture, we decided to leave the museum and find some ramen. Now, I've lived in Vegas for like 6 years and I've been to many ramen joints, but this was the best ramen I ever had. And I've also never had whipped coffee before, so I wanted to try that. And it was good, but it just needed some sugar, y'all. So I'm back in the room, and I am scheduled for acupuncture today at like 9 o'clock, but I'm gonna go and see if I can be seen earlier. I'm pretty tired, and acupuncture would be even better like now, so I can go ahead and get it done and then just kind of like sleep, have a good nice nap before dinner time. So I'm gonna see if I can do that now. Friends, what an experience. I used to get acupuncture. Sorry, I was looking for the elevator. I used to get acupuncture in San Francisco, and it was covered by the VA facility, but I haven't had it since COVID time frame, since before COVID was like a thing, right? So this experience was cool because not only did I experience, like, I look like I just woke up from a nap, but not only did I experience like regular acupuncture, but he hooked the needles to like a vibrating machine, so he did that, and also used the infrared lighting. Then after that, he did cupping, which I've always wanted to experience cupping, so that was neat. And we really just focused on my right lower half, like my right leg and lower back, because of my sciatica pain. And oh my gosh, y'all, I just feel so like so much looser, and like I'm walking up straight, and there's no, you know, lower back pain, and I'm ready to eat my dinner and like take a nap. So I just made it back to my room, and it's time to get life situated. For dinner, I'm ordering all appetizers. This is the Asian chicken wrap. This is the turkey 3-bean soup. And here's my dessert, this beautiful cappuccino experience. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it looks so good. I believe there's coffee ice cream in there, so my stomach might not be pleased with me, but it looks so good. Friends, dinner was so nice. My right lower back, butt cheek, and right leg, thigh, calf, oh my gosh, that thing is like so sore and tender. I'm so happy that I decided to do the acupuncture session today, so I'll have a full day to recover tomorrow before we actually port in Yokohama, because I couldn't imagine being in this type of pain sitting at an airport and like getting on the flight and all of this stuff. Like, and I'm achy. It's not like a, you know, like a excruciating pain type situation. I'm just so achy, and I remember having this feeling, but more or less towards like my upper shoulders, because that's where I used to get my acupuncture done in the past, but never really like focusing on my lower half. And whoo-wee, my body is like so lopsided with discomfort. It's insane. So let me check the time. It's 8 o'clock right now, and I think I'm gonna be calling it a night, because this is just not the business. So I'm watching currently The Last Kingdom on Netflix, and I'm on season 3. So I think that's how I'm gonna spend my evening in bed watching The Last Kingdom. Alrighty, this is the last day brunch, and I'm doing the small little steak with egg whites this morning for breakfast. Today is the last day, friends. Last full day. Look at how pretty it is out. So I've already started packing. I'm almost finished, really. I just came up to grab another tea. And it's like a bittersweet moment because, you know, I've enjoyed the cruise, obviously. But now, like, the party's about to get started. Kind of, sort of, but not really, you know, because I don't party. But Bali is up next, friends. We are going to disembark tomorrow. And then I have almost like a whole entire day at the airport. I can, you know, drop off my luggage and then explore Yokohama a bit. I'm not sure if I want to do that. I might just stay in the airport because I have, you know, access to the different lounges available. But yeah, we have us a nice flight to Bali tomorrow. And I'm looking forward to just getting there and getting settled. But yeah, this has been a really nice experience. I'm gonna miss this, but I'll be back in like a month. I'll be boarding the ship yet again for a 25-day journey from Singapore to Long Beach, and that is going to be like exciting because we have Vietnam, we have Hawaii and other places. I honestly can't remember because it's just so much going on in this kind of like short period of time. So ooh, look at all that. But yeah, it is coming to an end, friends. This is a blueberry mocktail. I don't think I'm gonna have alcohol today. Sitting out here waiting. I'm starting to get a little hungry, but I don't want to eat dinner too early because then I'll be hungry later. But the buffet will be open until like 12 o'clock, so technically I still could go get some food, which I might, honestly. Yeah, I think I might go ahead and go get something to eat. I'm getting the poke bowl to go, and then that for dessert. This is the Tokyo Sangria. Edamame. The yummy beef ramen, guys. With this being my last night on the ship, I had to say farewell to 2 crew members on the ship, Salome and Errol. They were super kind and just overall cool people, but it's all good. I was able to meet up with them in Singapore, but that's for another video. Hi! All right, friends, we've made it!
Welcome.
Thank you, thank you. So I literally cut my leg going through customs, so luckily I had something I could wipe off and clean it with, but yeah.